Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom fridge magnets. Super easy, super cute, and all from home. You'll need magnetic sheets, glossy photo paper, self-laminating sheets, a printer, and ChatGPT if you want to cartoonize it like I did. All right, so I'm in Canva and I started by setting my canvas size to 5 by 8 inches. That matches the size of the magnetic sheet I'll be using. Then I uploaded the photo I wanted to use, dragged it in, and resized it to fill the space. To give it a little personal touch, I added our family name using a fancy font I liked. All right, I'm saving it as a PDF print, not PDF standard. You always want to choose PDF print to get the best quality when you print it out. Don't forget that laminate sheet. It adds a little extra protection and makes it look real polished. Now just grab your scissors and cut it out. Follow the edges as clean as you can. Now peel off the protective layer to reveal the sticky side of the magnet and place your laminated photo right on top. Press it down nice and smooth. Voila! You got yourself a super cute fridge magnet. You could totally make these for yourself. Or, if you've got a small business, this could be a hot little product. 2 for $15? Easy money.